Today, how to video stream using existing FTP file system. Here, previously following video streaming approaches we are following using RDBMS. The data of video streams maintained on the backend of Django. Uh, when we are when we are uploading the media stream, that record is associated to the RDBMS data records. Based on the reference, we are Node.js reference to stream the video. What is the drawback before approach? Before approach is some drawbacks. What was our drawback? Every time we need to manage the RDBMS records. Suppose we have the lots of multimedia collection, the movies, entertainments, the comedy scenes, or video streams, movies, entertainments, horror movies. If you want to watch certain movies, data is available. Every time we need to connect laptop laptop and we are watching a movie, but it's dependent onto the one single mission. We need to avoid that issue. We need to connect one Linux lightweighted mission. We are start the streaming. User wanted the media want to stream over the network. Then everyone able to enjoy the video content. Previous video streaming's approach drawbacks is RDBMS dependent. This one is it's not dependent for the RDBMS. Just connect the hard disk to the what are the FTP services, lightweighted services. Um, Orange by the lightweighted the hardware. We are connect your hard disk to that lightweighted infrastructure onboard Linux FTPs. We need to communicate how this thing will be. Once we are connected, the FTP server is installed. Uh, after once installation is completed, we need to access the FTP where the mission is located. We are calling that IP. We are fetch all the information regarding FTP. What is the main drawback? FTP is okay. The file system, everything is coming. Once I want to play 1.19 GB the video content, just one movie is there, I want to start watch this movie. What is the drawback here? Once I am start playing this movie, what is the issue will be raised? We need to play it's up to 1.9 GB. What is the total size? And the this much of file size should be a copy on the particular the Windows machine. Then we need to start playing. This is one, one issue. File sharing, network file sharing also is available. That also yeah, the media content we are able to play. But the issue is that once we are going for the cross platform like services, the Windows file sharing, we are giving an Windows to Windows cross platform is okay. Heterogeneous platform, Windows to Linux. Then we need to approach is different. We need to go for the Samba. Some of the services required to approach. That is a drawback. Avoid these all issues. We use what are the FTP services related. Here following the approaches video streaming, FTP services using the API, fetching the FTP client, get back the parent and folders list where we are seeing currently. This information we are get back. The media related to the MP4. This is on the big size above the 1 GB file. We want to play the video. How this normally in the video streaming on browser, It's take too much time. Why? The file size is larger and length of the video is more. We need to these two
Pocket
considerations. It take time to the load video content on browser. What we are doing, we are processing this under, we are processing this related issue, passing the issue consent to the Node.js. Node.js processing the video related. We are large file. It's not required a large file. We are customizing the Node.js based on the timestamp. The required chunks of the media content requesting into the Node.js as a lightweight Linux mission. The small code, the 10 line of code, that is processing those things and return back uh, required timestamp chunks, small piece of chunk, it's written back. What will be happen? Suppose here the networking. Suppose I'm playing some content, but it is not getting whole video. It's getting that particular timestamp, timestamp related place only. It is the requesting to the server and server to get the chunks of the media content. After that the taking at a client end and start playing the video content. What is the overcoming large large length of video and big size of video. Loading issue we are resolved as usually. We are avoiding RDBMS related database management, record maintenance as a video content. Avoiding those things, we are approaching as a FTP. What are the FTP file related? The video content is there. We are take those information and we are start the playing. Suppose I am going in FTP side. I'm giving a folder SOS. Suppose here SOS same what are the same thing is there. It is get back. I'm giving again I'm giving this under um, I'm some video content is there previously at Django side. These are the video content. I'm going same place, projects, same path here moving. This under the video content. I'm going for the 7, here also 7. The 7 the subcategory of 1 to 3 and this type of courses is available. I'm going for the 42. Here also I'm going for the 42. Once I'm going for the 42, 42 is automatically automatically is taking what are the video sources. I'm playing the video. It's not started. It start, but it's take time as a FTP to VLC player. Suppose I'm going for the VLC. VLC is it. I'm giving a. We need to go for the network stream. Then we need to copy paste this URL. The video stream will be started. Here we here approach the backend hard disk is connected to the FTP server, the shared FTP. Linux or window. Here here what we are following the approaches. Django is interacting to the FTP client via API calls. Here, UI2 showing all the what are the data belonging to the MP4. We are added as a playlist. Suppose
the
we are
next thing we'll do
picking
in our app.
certain video. The video related the URL is start playing the video tag. Previously, video streaming we had discussed that video, the drawback of Django. It is every time we are uploading on Django, we need to maintain the RDBMS related management, where the video, the file content is stored, associated the data reference. Drawback is not suitable for the bulk files. Suppose we have Telugu or English, Telugu, English or Malayalam, Tamil, Hindi. There's a lots of video in the very action, thriller, scientific, friction. The movies, movie contents is available. That and all we are collected are 1 TB or 2 TB, 3 TB hard disk. Some collection, the video collections is available. Every time we need to connect. That is we have one multimedia content, but it's not utilized certain period of time. But when ourselves is interested to watch the media content, then only it is a happen for the utilizing of the media resources, web series, lots of things. We need to that is the issue. Every time we need to maintain the that much of RDBMS related data and database. The middle person, we need to know all those things. That thing we need to avoid. Based on the FTP reference, FTP file system. This is a FTP file system. What is the content is getting, that thing referenced we are playing here. We are, what are the things we are avoiding. We no need to burden about the maintaining the RDBMS related the content, the movie related, what are the file system related category, what you are built on previously. Those content only is automatically get back on the browser, and we are showing not only mp4, the lots of things we are on our hard disk are just like file system. We are saw the media contents, the document, PDF documents, um, the text, this type of things. This under icons. Sorry, 42 is clickable. Once we are click, automatically start the redirecting. This way it's overcoming without depending the RDBMS. Only we are depending on FTP client interacting to the API as a parent. Previously we saw FTP calls on browser. Automatically the file system will be get back on FTP. This thing, three technologies video streaming we are using for the Node.js. As usually the API related FTP client interaction, we are going for the API calls. Why API calls is required here. Single page itself without refreshing. See, I'm without refreshing the automatic, and the page is some dashboard so and so. Without page refreshing, the automatically the page is uh, page is changing. Suppose I'm giving a 42. The 42, I want to some course content on 31. Suppose I want to see certain video content. We need, it is helpful for the reference what we are knowing for the fast period of time. Here one thing is common for uh, all life be leaving things under this certain time of span will be dead, but time is permanent. We need to utilize the time as usually our lifespan, not required for the whole content on world. It's not required to know everything. Only the what content is really helpful for you, that thing only we need to learning in past period, we need to refer and re-reference, and it will be gain your strength, and video content what you are knowing previously, that is helpful for you. This type of thing, this type of way to, using FTP reference via stream the video. Here the code reference via here, the backend, the page is showing here. Usually we are three content. One is root back to the parent, and second one is the folders infrastructure. As usually files we are showing as how to interact, type of media, this type of categories, existing file, which type of extension it is coming. Extension wise, we are not decorating as a file content means this is some video content. We want to, plan to watch these videos, the video courses. Suppose this is one video, this is one category, this is another category. I think this is machine learning
Hello, everyone.
algorithms. So I'm great fan of. Sometimes I'm thinking he is a best teacher. I again I'm sometimes try to watch his content. This one is just like Linux, not Linux. The Linux FTP is okay. This is just like YouTube related video streamings. The YouTube is also similar things. Their files and storage on backend network, based on the user credentials. The videos associated to particular person, it is publicly visible exchanging of the video content. Similarly, this type of infrastructure helpful for the local FTP server as a the streaming can be do your heterogeneous environment. This service is running on your Linux platform as a file shared infrastructure. You can connect a network. You can able to watch on your phone, iPhone, Android phone, Linux machine, neighboring laptop, on same network. This video content able to watch. This way we can do for the video streaming using Django and NodeJS combinations. I'm trying the video streaming, how we can do video streaming on Django. It's not possible. Only Node.js only we do the video streaming and showing the PDF files regarding the FTP. All this can done using further videos. Just like the Windows, how we can see file systems like so and so file. We are clicking software to interact that file. So suppose we want to read the PDFs, we are going for the Adobe Reader. And we want to watch the videos, we are going for the VLC player. Just like without depending on this thing browser, we are using the video tag to play some other libraries is available. We are using, we want to watch the playlist every time. Previously I developed some of the playlist, but some it's not good. I'm clicking
In this
certain video,
section,
automatically I know that which video is completed. I want to schedule for the next video. This type of things, uh, it, it can be possible using playlist content. Fine. I'm giving conclusion for the video streaming using FTP. Fine. Thank you. Goodbye.